It's Angela Merkel's 8th state visit to China since she came to office 10 years ago. The frequency is higher than any other Western leader. Topping the agenda is how the two manufacturing giants can join hands in upgrading their industries together.
德国4.0和中国制造2025的衔接。
We're looking at ways to connect Germany's Industry 4.0 with China's industrial upgrading program called Made in China 2025. We believe Germany can make use of China's huge market and high-skilled, educated workforce, while China will benefit from Germany's cutting-edge technologies under the basis that we respect intellectual property rights.
Premier Li's remarks were echoed by Merkel. Bucking the trend of trade protectionism in Europe, Merkel welcomed the establishment of a free trade zone between China and the European Union.
We're currently negotiating a Sino-EU investment protection agreement and trying to wrap it up by 2016. With that agreement, we can start to set up a Sino-EU free trade zone.
During their meeting, Li and Merkel witnessed the signing of 13 major trade deals, ranging from airplanes to people-to-people exchanges. Germany is now China's biggest trade partner in Europe. Their bilateral trade now takes up nearly a third of China's total trade with the EU, more than the UK, France, and Italy combined.
中德政治关系呢是非常的牢固的。
Frequent high-level exchanges show that China and Germany have very solid political ties and that fosters strong economic collaboration. The Sino-German relations are at a historical best.
Merkel's visit to China comes on the heels of President Xi Jinping's trip to the UK, a visit regarded as kickstart of a golden decade in Sino-UK ties. Merkel says despite the competition, she's confident in a strong Sino-German relations. Last year, the two countries upgraded their relations to an all-round strategic partnership. Angela Merkel is on a pretty packed schedule here in China. After meeting with Xi Jinping and Li Keqiang in Beijing on Friday, she will fly to China's Anhui province and visit a rural school there. Analysts say that it is very rare for China to present its rural development to a Western leader, which does show that a strategic partnership between China and Germany is indeed going all round. Han Peng, CCTV, Beijing.